students. Today we will look into rectifier circuits and their operation with the animations. Now you can observe the half-wave rectifier circuit operation with the animation. In this, when you are applying the positive off cycle during this time period, diode is in forward bias. So conduction starts in the diode. So whatever we applied the input positive terminal, that can be appear at the output. During the negative cycle T1 to T2 cycle, in this diode is in reverse bias, so it is open circuited, so there is no conduction, so it is in off state. Next we look into center tapped full wave rectifier. So when you are applying the positive off cycle, in this diode D1 is in forward bias, so whatever we applied, that will be appear at the output. In this same time period, diode D2 is in reverse bias, so it is open circuited. So current path through the diode D1 to load resistor. During the negative off cycle, diode D2 is forward bias and diode D1 is reverse bias. Whatever we applied the negative cycle, that will be inverted and applied, that will be appeared at the output. Clear? So during the negative off cycle, the current will passing through the diode D2 to resistor RL. Bridge full wave rectifier. So when you are applying the positive off cycle to the bridge full wave rectifier, diode D1 and D2 are in forward bias. So whatever we applied the positive off cycle, that will appear at the output. So in this, current passes through the diode D1 and D2. So here you can observe in the animation. In this duration, diode D3 and D4 both are in reverse bias. When you are applying the negative off cycle to the bridge full wave rectifier, diode D3 and D4 both are in forward bias and D1 D2 diodes are in reverse bias. So whatever we applied the negative off cycle, that will be inverted and appear at the output. Clear? So here current passing through the D4 D3. So D1 D2 are in open circuited. Thank you.